Hi friends, today I have received my recent order of NIGHTEYE LED headlamps, 9000 lumens, received today from ordered this product from ALIEXPRESS.com and received this product today only. So let me do the unboxing for you and let us see how it is there inside. As you can see, it's nicely packed. So as you can see, the box seems to be little damaged, but I think it's in good shape, and it's a NIGHTEYE product, NIGHTEYE LED with 3 years of warranty as they claim, 900 lumens and 6500K color temperature, and I have ordered this with H4 socket. So let me open the box for you. So this is the manual, user manual. Good thing is that it is in English, so I was expecting something in Chinese. Good to see. And these are the headlamps, and the quality looks to be very premium, let me tell you. The quality looks to be very premium. I have already ordered one before. The video is there in the YouTube list. So this is my second order, and the second order is again from the AliExpress, and I don't see while looking at the quality that I am going to be disappointed. So once I'll install it, I'll give you the review that how bright they are and how good they are in comparing to my earlier one. I think that was C4, I think, I don't remember, but I'll give you a comparison also. So stay tuned for the fitment and review of this in my car. Thanks.